Thank you. Thank you. Oh, okay, thanks. Ah. Thank you. You know what, McKenna? I'd really rather them... Okay, thanks. I'd rather them stay in the box, because then we can use them. Wow, you're so helpful. Really, you shouldn't have. Yeah. Okay, thank you. That's so nice. Alright, McKenna, are we ready to play with something else now? Okay. Okay. That's really wasteful, sweetie.